How to log in to Simmons Bank online banking. Please begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Navigate to a reliable search engine, such as google.com. In the search bar, enter the term Simmons Bank and press Enter. From the search results, carefully locate and click on the official website of Simmons Bank. Once on the home page, find and click on the Login option. In the Login section, kindly select your banking type, example, personal, business, or commercial. Then choose your preferred banking method from the available options. Enter your user ID in the designated field. If you do not have a user ID, please click on Create One here to register. To recover your login credentials, click on Forgot User ID or Password. Optionally, you may take Remember Me if you wish for the system to remember your credentials for future visits. Next, click on the Go button to proceed to the password entry page. On the following page, enter your password in the appropriate field. Please click on the eye icon to either view or hide your password as per your preference. Finally, click on Sign In to securely access your Simmons Bank online banking account.